What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? I'm Ty and this is Ty Easy Art, the place where anybody can express themselves and learn craft, and in an easy way, and everybody can learn how to paint. Anyone can learn how to paint, and I'm here to teach you how to paint the easiest way possible. And guys, this is a painting that I did, and I want to show you guys exactly how to do it. And it's a bonus save money type of painting. You don't have to go out and buy expensive materials, expensive tools. Anybody can do this at home using only simple materials, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need in this tutorial, guys. So stay tuned, stick around and see the full video for this tutorial right here. And before you guys continue watching, just hit the subscription button if you're new to my channel, and just like this video and type in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about this tutorial, and just stay tuned and enjoy this whole session. Grab your tools and paint with me, guys. Alright, welcome back, guys. So what I did is add some tape on the edges and in the circle as pre-prepared. So I'm gonna start my palette with some cobalt blue, and I'm gonna add some ultramarine on that as well, and a light blue to show some blending, and I'm gonna add some ivory black as well. And as you guys, a little bit spilled, but that's alright. I'm gonna add some more, and I'm just using my palette knife to just place it in the order that I want my paints to be. And I'm gonna add some titanium white as well. So what you're gonna do right here is basically mix a little bit of the ultramarine blue and the cobalt blue together with the ivory black, just to get a little bit of dark paint right here, and then add a little bit of this light blue here. And as you guys can see, as I blend with my paintbrush, I just try to understand how my tones and my values are, just to see what exactly I'm gonna put on the canvas. So you guys can just do the same thing right there and just blend as you go along. Alright, so it's very simple. So I just use my hard brush to just get in the first layer that I need. Further down, I use my blending brush to kind of blend out what I need to let look a little bit smoother. So without further ado, just enjoy watching this, and you guys can pause the video to see exactly what I'm doing, so you don't miss any aspect of it. Alright, so there's my blending brush. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the blue to the black and just kind of carry it down nice and easy. There you go. So basically I'm adding some more black to kind of tone it down a little bit to get a little bit more blending going on. Alright, so just carry your brush in one direction. Alright, and remember, it's a process, so you don't have to rush it. Alright guys, so at this point I'm just trying to get in the blue, blend in with the black, and always keep your brush moist. Alright, so it allows a little bit of fluency when it comes onto the paint going on the canvas. So I add some water to mine to create fluency at all times. Alright. Alright, so guys, right here what I'm doing is just adding a little horizon kind of vibe to show where I'm gonna put my tree, and I'm only using black for this. Using my ivory black as usual, and I'm just trying to get the whole perspective of the little piece of land rising right here. So just take a little time and on getting this part, and always keep your brush moist. Always have a little bit of water in your brush so you don't have problem dragging your brush, or let your brush be fluent as possible. All right. Alright, so guys, I'm just adding my signature and just gently remove the tape from each corner of your canvas, and I'm just gently removing mine to just show you guys. And there you go. It's looking so really beautiful. I mean, this is so awesome. And guys, this is an inexpensive artwork. You can do it at home, you and your kids, and there you go. Beautiful. Anybody can do this, I'm telling you. And thank you very much guys for watching, and be sure to hit that subscription button guys if you want to see more content like this from TY Easy Art. And I'm out. See you next time.